All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the 3399W floor plan by Perry Homes. I know you folks absolutely love this one on this channel. So I wanted to bring you the best of the best. So this one is going to have both the brick and the stone. And as soon as you walk into the covered front porch, you're going to notice the glass paint on the front door. And this is exactly what you would be greeted with in the foyer. So if you notice on the top, you have the beautiful tray ceilings that we so much love. And then immediately right to the left, you're going to have this beautiful study. So as you see, you have your shiplap on the wall right here. You're going to have the beautiful windows with the window grids as well. You definitely have plenty of space inside of here. And you know, Perry Homes, they put the ceramic tile extending inside of the study. And of course, you have your oversized glass panes on the French doors. And then right to the right, that would be the garage, and you would be greeted with the mudroom area. And then right here, you're going to have your powdered bath. If you notice, you have the mirror frame in right there, the ceramic tile, it continues in here as well. And this would be your beautiful utility room. You have plenty of space for the oversized washer and dryer. You have the upgraded cabinetry on the top right here. Just plenty of space to be able to fold clothes and things like that. And then what we'll do is we'll head to the first bedroom. As you can see, you have carpet inside of the bedrooms. You definitely have plenty of space. Like we always mention, this would be great for a guest room or someone that wants to be or at least have their own personal privacy. So you definitely have plenty of space in here. You have the beautiful lighting fixture on top. And then inside of here, you'll have its own bathroom. So as you notice right here, look at the beautiful shower surround. You have that black tiling right there. I love the tiling on the bottom right here. It extends as well. You have your beautiful quartz countertops inside of here. The lighting fixture, fantastic. You have the white cabinetries with the black handles. I love that combination right there. And then it has its own closet. So definitely you have plenty of space, and I love that it has its own little hallway right here. And we'll continue this way, go to the left, and then you'll have your dining room right here. I love the wall right there. I think they added a nice unique touch right there as well. You have the beautiful two lighting fixtures. They're candlelight lighting fixtures. Essentially right over the dining table itself, and it's open to the rest of the house. And then heading inside of the great room, you have your beautiful LED ceiling fan on top with 20-foot ceilings. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the wood-like tile. It looks fantastic. And then this will be your beautiful kitchen. So as you can see, you have the stack cabinets again on top, which we so much love. You have your oversized island as well. I love the two-tone, cabinetry right here on the bottom. I think they did a great job of adding the brass handles as well. And then I'll pan one more time so you can see. I love the lighting fixtures over the island as well. You have your breakfast area over there. Again, I love all of the windows that they have right here. Plenty of natural light. It's raining right now in Houston, so it doesn't look as good as it usually does outside, but you can just tell all the windows would let in plenty of natural light. And I'll do one more pan right here so you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. Even the curved staircase with the rotunda ceiling, fantastic. And then of course, even right here, you can put, a nice decoration how they did, or if you can imagine the Christmas tree right there, that's a perfect place. And then before we go into the primary, this is a nice coat closet. And then let's take a look. Wow, fantastic. You got your candlelight chandelier coming over. Look at the king size bed with the two nightstands, plenty of space. I love the painted wall right there. I definitely love that unique touch. You know, Perry Homes, they do a great job of just furnishing the home and making it look extremely modern. Perry Homes is well liked on this channel. And then you have your sliding door going into the primary bath. And as you can tell, you have your dual sinks right here. You have this oversized mirror. Wow, fantastic. A lot of times we see it split up in two. I think they did a great job of adding that. And then this is going to be your soak-in tub right here with the tile exterior and your super shower right here. So of course you got your shower niche with your shower bench as well. I love the tiling and the brass handles and the brass shower head as well. I think it complements the colors very well. And then of course right here, you'll have your toilet. And then this is your nice size closet right here. If you remember, there was a door in the utility room, and that's what this would access right here. Fantastic. And then you have a nice little closet right here. So far so good. Of course, let me know what you folks are thinking so far. But you know, the high ceilings, it extends in the primary as well. I definitely love that they kept that in mind. And then let's go ahead and go up the curved staircase. You got carpet up here. Again, folks, this is the model house. So a lot of them are going to be upgrades, but just depending on what you like in here, this just gives you a reference, of course. And then going into the game room, you have the tray ceilings again with the beautiful lighting fixture overlooking this pool table. Perfect for entertaining guests. And I'll pan right here so you can see what we're working with. And this will be overlooking a great room right here. And then let's go into the media room. Wow. Now you definitely have plenty of space in here. Again, tray ceilings in here, carpet extends again. I think they did a great job. This is almost like a full room right here. So a lot of times we may see some of the media rooms are half this size. And then from a practical standpoint, if you're putting in a larger couch with the TV and just trying to entertain a bunch of folks, it doesn't work as well. So I think they did a great job. And let's go ahead and go to the third bedroom. Wow, look at that lighting fixture right there. Let me turn on the light for you. Like a crystallized lighting fixture overlooking the bed right here. But it looks fantastic. So they definitely didn't skimp on any space inside of here, which is fantastic. Like I said, a lot of folks love Perry Homes. They are definitely a great Texas reputable builder. Nice size walk-in closet. And we'll head to the left before we go into the other rooms. This will be a closet again. And then you have a bedroom right here. You have the standard lighting fixture right here. This would be an access to another closet. And then let's take a look at the bath. Quartz countertops again. Stainless steel lighting fixture right there. Shower tub combo inside of here. And then of course you got another area right here, and this will come back out to the hallway. So I think it looks fantastic. I'll pan one more time and then I'll show you what it would look like coming into the front door. So you have that access to see down there. And let's go take a look at the covered backyard patio. The good thing is with this one, if you notice, you have the sliding door, which is an upgrade, but I always think it's well worth it. If you ever look at it, if you ever plan to, entertain guests, this would be perfect for you. And like I said, the weather isn't the best. It's a little gloomy, but you got the ceramic tile right here. You got plenty of space. You got two fans over here. So if you can imagine, You got your table over there. You got some patio equipment over here. And this is perfect for entertaining folks. And like I said, it's raining, folks, so I would show you the back of the property, but that is the lovely Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family, so that was the lovely Perry Homes. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you thought the same. Let me know your feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below for you. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.